the chemotherapy and radiotherapy problems. Here, there are two kinds of problems. Actually, there are three, but I'm not going to talk about third problem because it will become an unending affair. Physical problems, loss of hair. सबको बताया जाता है कीमोथेरेपी होगी, बाल जाएंगे, but unfortunately, until it comes in front of you, that hard reality when you see your hair falling in clumps is not easy to digest, is not easy to handle. It takes a little time. You can't prepare yourself completely for this. Not only your hair, at times your loss of eyebrows is there, eyelashes is there. So many women lose completely their eyebrows, totally it's gone from here. What do you do? Please, there are solutions for it. I don't know if Akriti has called somebody, but there are some salons and we can always ask them who do your permanent tattooing also. तो अगर आप एक काजल पेंसिल लगा लीजिए वहाँ पे, if you have to work, if you have to go outside, or you can get permanent tattooing done. So there are options, there are solutions. I repeat myself every time because this is important. There's a loss of energy. Every chemotherapy, after everything, your TLC count is going low. You are becoming more and more weak. Your body is going to become what it was at the first chemo, by second, third, fourth chemo. There's nausea to deal with. You given medicines, of course, they are medicines, but it's not easy. They still give you. There's a problem of smell. Some people can't eat because everything smells. For example, I had this problem. हर चीज से बदबू आती है. अपने आप से बदबू आने लग जाती है, which is weird, But it's how those medicines are. You have to deal with those smells because you have to eat properly, look after yourself. There's a discoloration of nails. Hair gaye, eyebrows gaye, eyelashes gaye, nails bhi black ho jate, hands turn black. Everything is reversible. सब कुछ बदला जाता है. पहले जैसे आप हो जाएंगे. There is nothing to worry at all about. But ये problems तो आती हैं, and they're not easy to deal with. Neuropathy, pain in the legs. There's a tingling sensation on your fingers, your toes, your legs are wobbly. इतना मुश्किल हो जाता है चलना, इतना मुश्किल. For some people it's bad because there are several other problems also जो medicines की वजह से आ जाती. So you're asked to do mild exercises, but what happens if you can't even walk 4 steps? If going down to the bathroom also becomes difficult. So it's a problem again. Sexual dysfunction is there and regular sex life gets affected. This I want to talk about because unfortunately in India we don't talk about it. इसके बारे में बात करना बहुत जरूरी है. I'm going to little elaborate on this. Sexual dysfunction happens in what way? Women face a lot of dryness. Please अपने डॉक्टर से बात करिए, अपने oncologist से बात करिए. ये मत सोचिए कि ओ इसके बारे में बात करना तो सही नहीं होगा, पहले अपना ट्रीटमेंट तो मैं खत्म कर लूँ. ये भी पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ है एंड इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट लाइफ एस्पेक्ट ऑफ लाइफ. इसके बारे में तो बात करना है. डोंट ब्रश इट अंडर द कार्पेट प्लीज. Regular sexual life at times it goes for a toss. Why? For some women, they say that we feel very normal. We feel absolutely healthy. We don't see anything wrong with it. Then should we have a regular sexual life the way we used to have earlier? The answer is yes. Please talk to your oncologist, your medical oncologist. Go as per his or her recommendations. But broadly, I can say yes. There was this wonderful gynecologist whom we had called for one of our sessions. So she said that I asked her that one of the patients said that she wants to make out, and then she laughingly said, please do it wherever you want. Do it on the hospital bed, do it at home, wherever you want. Please, it's okay. If you feel healthy, it's good. So, इन सब चीजों को and एक और issue आता है. So many times the partner needs to be explained. The partner in his effort to become more caring, कुछ गलत ना हो जाए. It's very important to tell the partner also. और आपके कहने से वो शायद ना बात समझे आपकी. तो oncologist को बात करिए, अपने follow-up visit पे इस topic को bring up करिए. Please शर्माइएगा नहीं. And in case you're too shy to talk about this issue to your oncologist, please find again support. Support group पे answers मिलेंगे, psychologist पे answers मिलेंगे. Okay. Next, point is the onset of menopause. Imagine menopause जो 50, 53, 54 पे आता है, and even then people complain. Women complain. We have hot flushes. हमारे mood swings हो रहे हैं. People need to understand us. And imagine a mastectomy patient or a breast cancer patient has to go, is supposed, it is induced onto her. And she's told that it is good. Please pray that your periods don't come back to you, because that will increase your chance of recurrence. So the other problems जो थी वो तो वहीं पे हैं. Another problem added. So many problems of menopause. वो भी आपको डील करनी अभी पड़ेगी. There was, and while at it, one lady I met, she was very enthusiastic about it, and she said, मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ. रोज रोज का टंटा ही खत्म हो गया. I don't no longer need. So that's the attitude. अपना attitude बदलो कि तो ही ये जर्नी आसान हो पाएगी. नहीं तो it is a cry situation. और कितनी देर रोगे आप? थोड़ी देर तो हर एक कोई सुन लेगा. But at the end of it, people will start shying away from you, moving away from you. ये तो सारा दिन इसकी प्रॉब्लम्स खत्म ही नहीं होती. प्रॉब्लम इसलिए नहीं खत्म होती because they are unending problems. So many of them. इसीलिए खत्म नहीं हो रही. And they need to be addressed.